Hello everyone! In the Dune series created by Frank Herbert, computers are suspiciously absent within the universe. For newcomers, the lack of advanced technology would be concerning. You would imagine that a spacefaring race would have the ability to create robots and advanced computers, such as AI, to make space travel and overall duties managing society easier, but that's not the case. Before we begin with this video, I have to give you some background on the history of computers within the Dune universe. A computer is a device that's capable of performing advanced calculations, and in some cases capable of producing thought. Eventually the word computer would be associated with thinking machines, which are banned. There are machines within the Dune universe, but there's no machines or computers that have the likeness or the computing power of a human mind, which removes the ability of creating an AI or a robot. As mentioned before, the creation of such a device is banned within the Empire, due to a revolt against machines that happened thousands of years ago, called the Butlerian Jihad, or also referred to as the Great Revolt. The dependence and reliance humanity had on thinking machines were making them slaves. Additionally, the machines meddling on human affairs made it difficult for humanity. After 2 generations, they overthrew and destroyed any machine that had thinking abilities, which reduced quality of life and paused society growth. To replace the void left behind, the survivors had to rely heavily on human abilities, such as computation, mental calculations, and other technologies like advanced forms of biological engineering, such as mentats, for tasks that might have otherwise been automated by computers in the past. Over time, these patches had replaced the needs of having thinking machines. Of course, there was a lot of negatives that came from banning computers, such as the monopoly on space travel from the Space Guild, which forced the Empire to become dependent on them to manage their vast territory. It also got more complex when the only way for the Guild to navigate through the universe was using spice, which is extremely valuable, and especially when it can only be found on a planet called Arrakis. With all these monopolies, it got me wondering, why hasn't House tried to even the playing field by starting redeveloping more complex machines within those thousands of years? The most popular answer besides the ban on thinking machines was the religious edict written on the Orange Catholic Bible, stating "Thou shalt not make a machine in the likeness of a human mind," which was reinforced throughout the years by the Bene Gesserit. It could also be concluded that the negative impact of a thinking machine was so great that any redevelopment of the technology could start another jihad, and lead to the quick destruction of the creator, which could make the task of developing a thinking machine a tricky endeavor. Later on in the Dune series, we came across a culture that took on such an endeavor, called the Ixians, who's a secretive culture that go against the moral teachings of the Orange Catholic Bible, and whose economy depends on the manufacturing of complex machinery. You would imagine that a culture like this wouldn't survive for long, but they are able to protect themselves from being attacked by becoming friends with the Emperor. This was accomplished by showing the importance of having someone that can develop and create advanced technologies. Of course, having a friend that floats dangerously close against the Orange Catholic Bible's rules could lead to conflicts, and knowing this, the Emperor chose to isolate the Ixian planet from the known universe to help protect his interest. In conclusion, the lack of computers within the Dune universe stems from a mistrust of thinking machines due to past conflicts, and throughout the years the mistrust has been reinforced by certain groups, which will slow down the redevelopment of any robots and AI. Let me know in the comment section below about your thoughts about the lack of computers in the Dune universe. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. And also don't forget to click on the notification button to keep yourself updated with my channel. For more sci-fi content, then please check out these other 2 videos and my socials. Thank you for watching Utopian Broadcast, and I'll see you next time on my channel. Thank you.